Welcome to Voice AI Gram, Daily News and Intel, Wednesday the 19th of August 2026. Breakthroughs in AI voice automation. Google, Cartesia, and India's VoicERA. If you are an entrepreneur, what if you could kill phone tag for good?
Okay, you have my full attention. That's the holy grail, isn't it? No more missed calls, no more listening to voicemails, just results.
Exactly. Google has a new patent for an AI assistant that does just that. We're not talking about just transcribing voicemails. This thing listens, understands, and then acts. It returns the missed call for you, navigates those awful phone trees, and completes the task. It's an automated concierge for your phone.
Wow. So for a small business owner, that's not just a convenience, that's a massive competitive advantage. The newsletter says it lets you double down on real revenue activities. It's literally buying back time you'd waste on admin.
It's a huge unlock. But for that kind of seamless interaction to work, you need speed. You can't have a laggy robotic voice on the other end. And that brings us to Cartesia.
Sonic 3.6 and INK2. I saw they're being crowned leaders in the speech arena benchmarks. The key stat that jumped out at me was the sub 100 millisecond latency. That's basically real time. It's the difference between a frustrating bot and a genuinely helpful AI.
It is. That's what makes frictionless, scalable deployment possible. You can't have Google's vision without Cartesia's speed. And speaking of scale, this isn't just happening in Silicon Valley. India just launched VoicERA.
Right, as part of the BHASHINI initiative, an open-source voice AI stack. That's a game changer for bringing this tech to one of the fastest-growing markets in the world, and in multiple languages, no less.
It's about creating sovereign, low-cost digital infrastructure. It democratizes access to this power.
Okay, but hold on. With all this power cloning voices, automating conversations, there has to be a discussion about the guardrails. The newsletter points to Japan, where the Justice Ministry is moving to protect personality rights against AI exploitation, specifically targeting unauthorized celebrity voice cloning.
That's a fair point, and a crucial one. The Watch Out section warns about this directly. You can't just hand over sensitive customer data without total transparency. Without that trust, user adoption will just tank.
Exactly. So while we're excited about the profit plays, like using Cartesia's models for instant AI support, we have to be just as focused on the ethics and security. It's a tightrope walk.
100%. And the Guru's takeaway ties this all together perfectly. It says if you're still building separate bots for calls and chat, you're already behind. The future isn't about chasing every channel. It's about owning the entire customer conversation pipeline in one intelligent loop.
From the first call to the final support ticket, a single, always-on, intelligent system. That is a powerful, and frankly, a little intimidating vision of the future.
It is. And to stay on top of these breakthroughs and understand how to implement them without falling into the traps, you need the full picture. That's what we're here for. For insights like this and more, delivered straight to your inbox, make sure you subscribe to the Voice AI Guru Daily Gram. Thanks for tuning in.
Bye, humans. See you next time.